Frontline Eurosports. Your host Nate Jennings is bringing you another uncrating of a 2018 BMW. This is going to be a gray and black S1000RR with a premium package, even with the forged wheels, the gear shift assist pro, cruise control, heated grips, ABS pro, ride modes pro, all the goodies on this beautiful 199 horsepower motorcycle. So let's get Josh uncrating for us. See the beautiful forged wheels, accentuated double R on the side to show that we are truly a race-ready motorcycle. Give me a closer look at the handlebars. So we're going to have over on this side our heated grips, our mode selection, our preload adjustment, and then we have DDC, so that is something that we can attenuate through the instrumentation for our damping values. Our horn turn signal, all of our trip and set information goes to our board computer, our slick modulation, switchable ABS and traction control, cruise control, our high beam hidden up in there, and our hazard lights. Then our instrumentation for this beautiful 2018 BMW S1000RR. Our asymmetrical headlights, inverted forks with big Brembo grippers. So thanks for watching Frontline Eurosports Online. We'll be back with more uncratings in 2018 to keep your eyes full of beautiful eye candy from Frontline Eurosports Online.